Hello, 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 friends. Welcome to Talk English Like a Pro, the show where English isn't just a subject, it's a survival skill. I'm your host, Rishi, and today we are going to talk about how to speak English without fear. Yes, बिन डर के बोलना सीखिए. Ever felt like your tongue just freezes when you try to speak English? Like, hello, my name is soda bottle opener wala. You're not alone. We've all been there. The fear of making mistakes, of being judged, of sounding silly. But guess what? Making mistakes is not weakness. It's proof that you're learning. Let me tell you a secret. Even native English speakers say the wrong things sometimes. Yeah, really. Once an American said, I go to the market. I was like, Pai? Tumbi? Part 1. Why listening is your superpower. Want to speak better English? Start with listening. Listen to songs, watch movies, and yes, listen to this podcast. Listening is like dating the language before marrying it. First, observe, then speak. Catch the rhythm, the tone, the feel. Try this. Next time someone says, "What's up?" Don't say, "The ceiling." Say, "Not much, just chilling." Part 2. Speak like nobody's watching. Speak English to yourself. Yes. Talk to your mirror, your dog, or even your pillow. Why? Because practice beats perfection. One time I was practicing English while walking, and people thought I was on a Bluetooth call. I wasn't. But hey, I was learning, and that's what matters. Quick tip time. Repeat after me. Nice and slow. I am confident. I can speak English. Mistakes make me stronger. Now say it again, but this time with a smile. Because when you feel good, you speak better. Wrap up. Listen, my friend. English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. So take a deep breath, laugh at your mistakes, and keep going. That's it for today's episode of Talk English Like a Pro. If you smile even once, I did my job. Don't forget to share this with your fellow learners and come back for more fun, learning, and real talk. Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, keep shining.